Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I just unboxed 9 more of these Iceriver KS0 Pro commemorative editions. I bought 10 of them and I finally just got in the other 9 from DHL, which they were holding them for about a good week. And unfortunately I got hit with a good $600 tariff bill on this batch here. So that's unfortunate, but anyways, I got them all here. You guys are wondering, what am I doing with them, just sitting them like this? Well, I am planning on modding all of these KS0 Pros by changing the thermal paste, doing the copper mod on the MOSFETs, changing the thermal pads on the heatsink side, and yeah, just everything, just getting this all ready because I am planning on overclocking all of these, okay? But I have a really big disclaimer that I want to explain regarding, overclocking these and just being mindful of the barrel plug, okay, which is used to power these Iceriver KS0 Pros. And yeah, I'll explain that in a bit. But I also want to explain that I'm also planning on just solo mining KASPA on all of these, as well as I'm going to be demonstrating how to do that with a new Tangem wallet here, which is the KASPA edition Tangem. So my plan is to just mine directly to the Tangem card, the KASPA wallet address, which, I mean, KASPA's not directly on this card, it's the private keys, the KASPA's on the blockchain. Anyways, I'll demonstrate that when I get these all set up, of course, so that'll be for another video. I really do like this Tangem branded KASPA card. Use code RPM if you guys are interested in purchasing a Tangem for holding your crypto as a cold storage solution and being self-sovereign by controlling your own crypto, all right? Not having it on exchange or, someone else controlling it. Anyways, a lot of fun stuff I want to explain in this video. I'm not going to really set up anything. I'm just going to give you guys my plans for all these. So we'll do that right after a word from today's sponsor. Are you looking for the newest, most profitable ASIC miners today? Look no further than CryptoMinerBros.com, where they carry the top brands such as Bitmain, Goldshell, IBLink, and more. Their prices seen on their website include fast shipping service using DHL and duties and taxes. Payment options include direct wire transfer and crypto payments as well. They have multiple support methods for any questions or concerns. Use coupon code RedPanda for $50 off per ASIC miner ordered. Thank you, CryptoMinerBros.com, for sponsoring this video and celebrating our 3rd year of partnership. Link down below. So, I want to announce first, before we do the rest of the video, this Iceriver KS0 Pro. This is a non-commemorative edition one. It's just a black KS0 Pro, and also a veteran miner PCIe to barrel plug, which he only warrants to run at stock. Okay, not overclocked. All right, disclaimer, do not run these on overclock. He's only tested them on normal mode, right? No overclock on the KS0 Pros or KS0. So we're gonna give this away. Okay, this is the final KS0 Pro that we are giving away. I've already given away 10 of them on the channel over the past 2 months. Thank you so much to BP who donated these to the channel. He is such an awesome dude, super generous for giving these away on the channel. I hope you guys have appreciated all these KS0 Pro giveaways on the channel. So how to participate in today's giveaway, I'm gonna have a video from the veteran miner, this gentleman here who has created these KS0 Pro or KS0 barrel plug connectors to 6-pin PCIe. You guys have to comment on a video, which I'll have linked down below, of anything positive about crypto mining, and if you're in USA or Canada. If you are outside North America, all right, I will sadly won't be able to ship this out, but if you are outside North America, I will send the winner $350 worth of a KS0 Pro, okay, in crypto. All right, so everyone in the world can participate, but unfortunately I can't ship this around the world. I've already lost 2 of them in the giveaways, so I will choose the winner live on Sunday, this coming Sunday, this week when this video comes out. I'm gonna choose the winner on Sunday for this KS0 Pro. All right, good luck, guys. Veteran Miner link down below. Okay, I want to talk about this KS0 Pro, which I've already modded. This is the commemorative edition. Greater Good Mining, thank you for the idea of like gluing this piece onto the shroud here, which is from the meter box, okay, in order to have a 120mm fan situated here, which I'm blowing air into this side where the barrel plug is to cool down the barrel plug. So I've talked with a lot of people, all right, that have had a lot of experience, like Greater Good Mining, Don't Mind Me Mining. They have tested this, you know, profusely. And Don't Mind Me Mining, he told me that he is running an overclock 360 gigahash using a Iceriver PSU on 12 volt. But the kicker is you must cool it down and have airflow going towards the barrel plug, cool air, so that the barrel plug is not going to, I guess, overheat or, you know, melt, which we have seen many times. A lot of people have burnt their KS0s or KS0 Pros by overclocking them. And especially if they're gonna be using a barrel plug, because this is gonna be pulling higher amperage, because we are not at 19 volt, we're at 12 volt. So utilizing a barrel plug like this, we are actually pulling more amps. Thus, that's gonna cause a lot more resistance, more heat onto the plug, and the plug is essentially gonna burn potentially. But we're gonna counteract that with, you know, cooling it down with a 120mm fan, which I've changed up. Okay, some of you guys may have saw before I was running a Noctua industrial PPC fan. I decided not to go with those because those were like, you know, $30–40, and then instead I went with these easy DIY fab fans I got off Amazon, which does 4,000 RPM, 200 CFM. All right, so a lot of airflow is going through this KS0 Pro right now, and it's glorious. I was gonna buy like cheap 120mm, like 1500 RPM, I think like 60 CFM fans, you know, RGB for these, but I decided to go with this model instead because I can get two of them for about $20 US. I'll have a link down below to the fans that I'm looking at here. But there's a lot of other mods that I've already done to this KS0 Pro. I've already done a live stream, okay? So not only do we have the fan, the meter box shroud here, I'm using the Veteran Miner barrel plug here. It's still stock. This is not overclocked yet. Stay tuned for a video of when I attempt the overclock, and then we're gonna see how the temperatures are on this. But the other mods that I've done is changing the thermal paste on the chips themselves, okay? And as well as the next mod I did was using these copper heat sinks, okay, 6x6x5, I believe. I'll have it on the screen here or link down below, the ones that I used here for the MOSFETs, the VRMs, which there are 4 for each KS0 Pro. So I believe that helps a lot, as well as the thermal pads. There's also 2 strips of thermal pads on the, I guess, for the heat sink side, which I've replaced with these GP risers 20 watt per meter Kelvin 1.5 mil thermal pad, okay? So yeah, those are the mods internally that I have done on this, and it's kept the temperatures extremely cool. So look at the Iceriver monitor tool here, looking at the temperatures on the Iceriver chips. They're all right now below 40 degrees Celsius, all right? 37, 37, 38, 39. The chips are very cool right now, and it is hashing no problem at 200, just normal 200 gigahash right now, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, it's nice and cool, and the temperatures seem to be quite cool according to the web GUI here as well. Okay, so once I try the overclock, which I'm gonna try a 300 gigahash overclock. I know there's 360, but I am gonna do this, you know, in a way in which I don't want to pull more than, I think the barrel plug can handle about 10 amps, okay? So if I'm gonna pull, like, let's say, I think 300, if I go 300 gigahash, that may be about 150, 140 to 160 watts or something. So that's gonna be, I think, about 11 amps, 12 amps, give or take. So that's gonna be, you know, 1 or 2 more amps than the barrel plug can handle, right? In theory, okay? So if that is gonna overheat, which it could, I'm gonna counteract that by having this 200 CFM fan blowing towards the barrel plug side to cool it down, all right? Which, Don't Mind Me Mining gave me a lot of insight on that, and he says he's been running a 360 gigahash, no problem. But if you don't have any cooling solution on a barrel plug and you have it overclocked, you will probably most likely have a burn issue. All right, the barrel plug is going to burn, melt, and yeah, because it's not getting sufficient cooling on the barrel plug. That is basically the hindrance here, and the issue of us converting it into, you know, using a barrel plug into a 6-pin PCIe, and, you know, not buying those $100 or however much those, you know, 230 watt laptop battery power adapters, but those are capable at 19 volt and not the 12 volt that we are having here, because we're going to be drawing a bit more power. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to explain here, what I'm planning on doing for the other 9 KS0 Pros. They are all going to be modded the same way I just showed you guys, and I'm planning on solo mining to just a brand new Tangem wallet, and I'm just gonna hold it for, I don't know, the next 2 years, and we're gonna keep track of all the yields that we are gonna be mining with these 10 KS0 Pros at 300 gigahash on each of them. That should equal to almost 3 terahash. So currently, I think the profitability wise, I think I'd be making about $20 a day. So we'll see how that goes over time. We'll see how much yield we're gonna, you know, get, and also hopefully get price appreciation on KASPA, right? That's the name of the game here with a lot of these miners, right? To essentially break even. You know, I think altogether my all-in price here is going to be about $4,000 to $4,400, including all the mods, all the fans, thermal paste, everything, you know, to do this. Okay, so we're gonna see how long it will take theoretically to, or no, realistically get our money back by trying to solo mine KASPA, and see how that goes with all of these KS0 Pros. But okay, that's it, my friends. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts of what my plans are here, but mainly, you know, comment on the video, on Veteran Miner's video for the KS0 Pro giveaway. All right, my friends, you guys have a great one. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on Sunday for this giveaway, and I'll see you on a lot of live streams modding these KS0 Pros. All right, you guys have a great one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.